this is the site where the meteor crashed.
Yeah, I think that is. Hey, Riley, I think there's something yellow in it.
Wait, Lincoln, don't. It might be radioactive.
No, I don't think it's radioactive.
I don't think that's a good idea, Lincoln.
Oh, Riley, it's sticky and slimy. It won't come off me.
Riley and Lincoln, it's time for dinner.
Mom, Lincoln's got something really sticky on his fingers.
Oh, well, make sure you wash your hands really good. Soap and water.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, Lincoln, don't forget to wash your hands.
Nah, it's not a big deal. Hey guys, we found the meteor site where it crashed last year.
Oh, that's so cool.
I thought it was in Texas. Ugh, what's this yellow sticky stuff all over my hand?
Where did you get it from, Lincoln? I found it at the meteor site.
Oh, it smells horrible.
It smells like my sister.
Hey, guys, it's time for dinner. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah, we did.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, let's go eat.
That was a huge sneeze.
Get it off me.
Action.
Andrew, you slimed me.
Oh, God, what the heck, Del? You actually... Grammy, Grandpa, Grammy! Grammy, Oh, my gosh! Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Boy,
We'll take care of this.
that guy has some healthy mucus.
Oh, dear.
Oh, this smells good.
Mom, I'm getting really concerned. Everyone's getting really sick, and I think it has something to do with that meteor site me and Lincoln were looking at earlier today.
Meteor site? All right, you guys are so weird. Okay, listen, just make sure you wash your hands, and that will keep from getting all sick. And you could do that with Dawn antibacterial. Kills 99% of all germs.
I'm the doctor. Nurse, I need water. Ugh.
Water.
Wow, I haven't seen filth like this since the last White Gorilla movie. Ooh, yep. It's definitely the Enrique Palazzo. He's got Enrique Palazzo.
Can he be saved?
Ooh, it's not looking good. Yeah, it is filthy. I think he's a goner.
Doctor,
I am a doctor.
I know feels like it's gonna explode. Oh dear!
Let's
See, I
see.
keep sneezing out this stuff.
Yep, it's definitely the Enrique Palazzo.
Hey, want to leave chips?
Sure.
That tastes funny.
Oh, what is that? Ugh.
Oh, what is that? Ugh.
Oh.
Get away from me.
Achoo! Oh, that's disgusting!
More sake! Yeah, cook it!
Oh, what's that? You got something on your nose.
What are you talking about?
Well, it's, oh, God, it looks awful. Jeez. Oh.
It's Enrique Palazzo.
What? What are you talking about? With this stuff going on my face?
Yeah, you got the yellow, you got the yellow thing going. Oh, geez, oh, geez. Oh, I'll try to get it off.
Get it off, I can't breathe.
Jeez, I got it on me now. Oh, geez. What are you
I'm a doctor, I can help. Oh, I need some help. Oh! It looks to me like you have
Rico,
palazzo.
Oh, it's Mom.
Is this supposed to happen?
Grandpa, look.
Is this normal?
3, 2, 1.